Hi, I'm Josh for the Just One Plant series, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really awesome mint iced coffee using our fresh mint simple syrup. So for this, you're just going to need some cold brew or some hot coffee if you want to go with that option, some oat milk, and then of course your mint simple syrup. So simple syrups are a really great way to introduce a little bit of freshness and some sweetness to cocktails, but that also translates to coffee. So to make this, I'm just going to need something to shake with, like some shaker tins or a mason jar with a sealable lid, a jigger or some measuring spoons, a glass of your choosing, coffee, oat milk, and your mint simple syrup. So to get started, I'm going to start with 6 ounces of cold brew coffee. And this is going into my shaker tin, but if you're using hot coffee, go ahead and pour that directly into your mug. To lighten it up a little bit, I'm going to add 1 ounce of oat milk. And if you're doing this hot, this also goes directly into the mug. And to finish, a 1/2 ounce of my mint simple syrup. I'm going to add ice and give that a little shake. This gets poured directly over ice. And then finished with some fresh mint. So that's a really nice mint iced coffee, and if you're making the hot version, go ahead and add everything to the mug and give it a little swirl.